This is the Poco watch. The Poco watch lies within the budget end of the spectrum, which fits Poco's modus operandi. However, while Poco smartphones excel with top features despite the low prices, its smartwatch doesn't do much to stand out amongst its competitors. It has a great battery life too, as it lasts 2 weeks, which is much longer than the battery life on lots of other smartwatches. The fit in general is pretty comfortable, particularly since the watch is fairly lightweight at only 31 grams, including the straps. These straps are made of thermoplastic polyurethane, a synthetic material that is slightly less irritating than rubber. The body is square, like an Apple Watch, but without some of the latter's design flair. It has one button on the right edge, which was occasionally a little fiddly to press, but nowhere near as troublesome as the strap button. The display is 1.6 inches diagonally, with a resolution of 360 by 320 and AMOLED tech. The latter is the standard in smartwatches, as the high brightness and contrast it provides makes watches easy to view outdoors. Navigating the watch is a breeze since the software is snappy and intuitive. Poco hasn't detailed the chipset available in the watch, but it's up to the job of powering the device. A few extra modes here include breathing exercises, music controls, notification handling and a remote shutter for your smartphone camera. Unlike many other budget smartwatches, there's also built-in GPS here too, meaning you can use the watch without your phone, or at least without relying on your smartphone's own GPS system. We found that distance tracked was more accurate than on devices with connected GPS, which relies on your phone's GPS. Charging is done with a small magnetic pin charger that comes with the device, and plugs into any USB port, like in a wall plug or your PC. When we heard Poco's claim that its smartwatch would have a 2-week battery life, we were dubious. The body seemed slender, so we didn't imagine it could have a very big battery. We were wrong though. From our testing, the Poco watch definitely does have a 2-week battery life. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.